Ayan, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. At bago tayo matulog, ayan, bakit yung ating kamay ay nagaganyan? Okay, so bago tayo matulog ay mag-unboxing tayo. Kasi meron akong binili. Actually, ito ay gift ko din para sa aking sarili. Wala akong ginastos sa aking birthday, hindi ako naghanda. So ito ay gift ko sa aking sarili at ito ay nagkakahalaga ng $299 Hong Kong dollars. And this is tadan 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 aray ko. Palibhasa, hindi naman talaga nakakatanggap ng regalo. No, Bodhi, this is not yours. Sorry, darling. I know you're used to it, but you cannot destroy the box because I might need to replace this if in case. No. Ano kasi siya, guys, sanay siya na na pag nag-unboxing nandyan siya. No, Bodhi, this is not for you. I'm sorry, but I can't let you ano ba yun? Destroy this. It will be big trouble. I will be in big trouble. So, sa kabila ko kasi So, happy birthday myself. Dada, 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 dada. Ayan. So, meron tayong isang Bluetooth speaker. Hindi ko alam kung paano to gamitin. So, obviously, ito ay on. Hello. Wala. Hindi siya, no? So, meron siyang charger. No, USB charger. Pwede, stop. Okay, ang on niya ay, where is the on? EQ mode. Okay, connect natin sa laptop. Add Bluetooth device. Okay, plus. Okay, tignan natin kung mag-connect siya. Paano niya to? Saan ang on nito? Ayun, ito pala. Di pa pala siya naka-on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, Bluetooth mode. Ano daw? Ay, ang daming nasasagap. Meron kami sa soundbar. Come on. Unknown device. Dapat magko-connect siya. Okay. Cancel muna natin. Okay, again. Plus. Dapat siya mag-connect siya. Otherwise, mahirapan ako pag sa computer lang siya. Pag sa phone. Nag-connect, ayun. Nag-connect na siya kanina, guys, sa Nag-connect na siya. Okay, so now, nag-connect na siya. Done. And then, pipili tayo ng kanta ngayon sa Okay. Kasi pag dito siya sa dito ko siya sa cellphone i-connect. Try ko na kanina. At nag-work siya. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Tingnan natin kung mag-work ang ating. Oh my God.
Hello.
Ang lakas. Okay. Tingnan natin kung gagana. Wala nang patalastas. Buti na lang naka-mute.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
Tignan natin.
Ewan ko kung malakas siya.
Oh, thinking about our younger years, that was somewhere with me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before. Ganto lang ako kasi guys, mag-alas 12 na. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want when you're lying here in my... Ayan, so magbablog ako ng isang kanta. Pang-try natin. Okay, this is not for this. And then, thank you so much for watching. And then I'll try to sing another song. It's a cover song. And then I'll upload it as a premiere and see what happens. Thank you so much, guys. I love it. Parang feel ko talaga may mic ako. Once in your life, you find someone. Okay, alam ko kakantahin ko yan kasi lagi nire-request ni Lods Tasty. And so, might as well nakantahin na lang din natin. Okay, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll try to do a cover song before I go to bed. Ano ka ng chan ko kasi busog na busog ako. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause here we are, back where we were before. Since nothing ever changes, zero. Just once, can I find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. We could leave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Since So at times with all we got, we haven't caught a breath. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Whatever it takes, way through it. If we could just get to it, just once, we can make it. We can get to it, just once. Ayun, I just want to give a record of this because it's my first time to use it, and then I want to know if it is okay or not. So I'll keep this record. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to say, no, I meant I want to hear how it is. Okay, with or without the background music. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. And just once, and then I think for this, it's got okay. So at the back is the on and off button, and then it's got I think this USB for could be for songs, I guess, or for like a flash drive. Seems like, I'm not sure, but I'll just use this like with Bluetooth. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Just one.